In this next video of the same chapter number 8, concept of cost, I am going to discuss here about the relationship of the various kind of cost, that is fixed cost, total cost, variable cost, average cost and marginal cost. अब इन सारी कॉस्ट में क्या डिफरेंस होता है, क्या आपस में रिलेशन होता है, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न हियर एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव टू लर्न सर्टेन formulas also. So I am, with the help of this question, I am going to tell you about how we calculate fixed cost, total cost, variable cost, average cost and marginal cost. So according to our question here, these are the quantity in units and total cost is given 10, 30, 45, 55, 70, 90 and 120. It means that when the production is 0, still total cost is 10. So it can be understood that total fixed cost is 10. When production is 1 unit, total cost increases to 30 rupees, then there is the increment of 20. So total fixed cost is 20. Total fixed cost is 10 and total variable cost is 20. For second unit of production, amount is 45, total fixed cost and 35 rupees of variable cost, 10 fixed cost and 45 rupees of variable cost, 10 and 60 for fifth unit, 10 fixed cost and 80 variable cost for sixth, 10 and 110. In this way we can understand that total fixed cost remains same. When the production is 0, even then the total cost is 10, or it is maximum up to sixth unit, total fixed cost remains same, whereas total cost is the sum total of variable cost and fixed cost. So both the costs are included here. Total variable cost is 0. Here we have to find average fixed cost. When average fixed cost we find here, when the unit production is 0 and total fixed cost is 10, it is infinity. When for 1 unit total fixed cost is 1, average fixed cost is 1. For 2 it will be 5. For 3 it is 3.33. For 4 it is 2.50. For 5 it is 2.00. And for 6 it is 1.67. So this is average fixed cost. Average fixed cost is calculated by fixed cost divided by number of units or quantity. This is the formula of average fixed cost. How we calculate? Means fixed cost upon quantity. Average variable cost, ABC is equal to variable cost upon quantity. Here variable cost means total variable cost is 0 for 0 units, 1, 20, it means 20. For 2 it is 35, it means 17.5, 0, 3, 15 for 3 units, then it is 15.00, 15 rupees per unit. So as the production unit increases, average variable cost decreases. For 4 it is 15. For 5 it is 16. And for 6 it is 626. something. It is 17 17.13 something approximately. So in this way we can calculate average variable cost, which is variable cost is divided by the quantity. Here we are going to find average cost. Average cost we can calculate upon TVC upon quantity. TC upon quantity. Here TC is 10, 30. So for 0 it is 0, and for 1 it is 30, 2 it is 22.5, for 3 it is 18.33, for 4th unit it is 17.50, for 5th unit it is 18, and for 6th unit it is 20. So in these two costs we come to know that at the 3rd and 4th unit average variable cost is same, and after that it is increasing from 15 to 16 and 17. Same here, after 4th unit of production the average cost start increasing or rising. Marginal cost, when we are going to calculate marginal cost, we have to calculate it as MC is equal to TC n minus TC n minus 1. It means total cost of n variables minus total cost of n variables minus new variable. Here 0, our total cost is 20. (45 minus 30 it is 15. 55 minus 45 maybe 10. 70 minus 55 it would be 15. 90 minus 70 it would be 20, and 120 minus 90 it would be 30. So in this we can also learn that till 3rd unit the marginal cost is decreasing, after that it is increasing, it starts increasing. In this way we come to know, or we learn about the relationship of total cost, total fixed cost, total variable cost, average fixed cost, variable cost, average cost, and marginal cost. For that we have to remember certain formulas, how we have to calculate these. Thank you.